Some tent pegs. Pretty old spoon. Maybe not that old, but kind of neat. Some lead. Old can opener. Couple locks, couple cars. Some weird shit here. Looks like ventilation, but I can't imagine it being ventilation. These two things right here, I found in the same spot as that. Some zippers, dog tag. Dog tag's kind of cool because it's from Jazz. I should focus. But it's from the North Pole. 1967 Alaska license plate. Some miscellaneous copper, fishhook, keys. This is pretty cool. I found it the day after the Seahawks won the Super Bowl. Wish I could get it to focus. Anyway, it's the Space Needle. One of those little punch things. Marble. A $1 coin. I had 3 $1 coins, but I lost 2 of them. I don't know. A piece of silver that I finally found. Some kind of plaster. Some junk jewelries. Cool marble. Toy bicycle crank. Pull tabs. Trying to find that gold nugget. Trying to find that gold. Bunch of slag. Not swag, y'all. Slag. Some iron. Some brass. A few rocks. That might be kind of cool. Some other shit. A little bit of trash that goes in the keep bag. And quite a few coins. Copper. Dimes. Unspendable zinc. Spendable zinc. Dimes. Copper pennies. Nickels. 1965 and to 1969 quarters. State quarters. Miscellaneous state quarters. Canadian coins right here. Got a cool token.